Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. We continue unboxing kits that I purchased in Michael's a few days ago. Today we will unbox this one, Pooped Pup Intermediate Level from Diamond Dots. This is the original image. It is a full round drill diamond painting kit. The design size is 62 by 42 centimeters. The fabric size is 70 by 50 centimeters. The original price of the kit was $63. I purchased it for 38. Sorry, my kitty came. For $38.99 because I had a 40% off. So let's open and see how it looks inside. That's how the canvas and the drills look inside. They are both wrapped in additional plastic package. Let's start with the canvas. This is the image. You know what I like about it? That there is like a continuation of the frame here. Do you see? Really beautiful. Nice, like an extension of the design. Here that is not diamond painted. Here it is. That's how it looks. It looks pretty detailed to me. Even the canvas looks pretty detailed. So let's look at the symbols. The symbol clarity is really good. The glue is sticky. It is a poured glue, not double-sided tape. There are 34 colors. The canvas is of an excellent quality fabric canvas, woven polyester. I talk about it in each my unboxing video when I review Diamond Dots. Here's also the design and fabric size. And the canvas features two legends on both sides for easier identification of the symbols, especially when it comes to such a large size. I'm actually surprised that this diamond painting is considered to be intermediate versus advanced. I would say it is advanced, but oh well. So, beautiful canvas, I really like it. Now, what we are going to do, we will look at the drills. So what we've got in the drills, of course, a set of tools, sorry for interruptions, a stylus, hand gripper, wax, tray, and Ziploc bags. And of course, it comes with the instructions, and it has a lot of colors. I'm very surprised that 3 out of 34 colors are AB diamonds. Here they are. We will stop on them a little bit later. Now let's look at the drills. Here, beautiful Diamond Dots round drills. At this point, I feel so comfortable diamond painting the kits from Diamond Dots. Why? Because, as you know, the drills are sold separately from the kits in Joann's. And in case if you ever run out of the drills, you can always go to Joann's and buy the color you need. The only thing that, I can say I actually diamond painted a lot of their kits and I never ran out of the drills. I never had an issue with Diamond Dots, not a single one. So, I'm not sure, unless you spill those drills, I don't know. You drop them and you won't be able to pick them up. But yeah, I never ran out of colors when working on Diamond Dots kits. So these are regular resin drills and these are AB. This one is also regular, although I might maybe replace it with AB diamonds. I have a similar color. So we have white as AB, red, green, and yellow. The thing is that with Diamond Dots, there is a limited variety of AB diamond colors. For instance, Tina Diamond Painting with Sparklers has a more variety. They have, I didn't count how many colors they have in AB, but not that many. Blue, dark blue, green, yellow, red, pink, orange, white, kind of beige, light beige. So not many colors. I didn't see purple, for instance. I didn't see lilac, and etc. So, but I believe the diamond dots will produce more. So that's when it comes to the diamonds. Now, I might still play with the drills when working on this diamond painting and replace them with crystals, especially when it comes to the fire. And I might also add crystal accents on the Christmas tree. As far as I understand, do you see that black dot in a white circle symbol? As far as I understand, it's gonna be white AB diamonds. I might use the crystals instead. I already customized one kit similar to this with crystals. Here it is. Do you see crystals here? White crystals over here. And I think it looks magnificent. A very similar kit from Crystal Art Kit company. English company, British company. It has LED in it. And yeah, it was my first thought. Like as soon as I saw it, I already knew that I was going to replace regular plastic drills with crystals. Here they are. Ornaments on the Christmas tree, lights on the Christmas tree. It doesn't sparkle as much now, maybe because, sorry for the cracking sound, maybe because of the light, not sure, but yeah, it looks way better off the camera and it sparkles more. By the way, I just wanted to show you how I framed my icons of Virgin Mary. Not the best job that I did, but it's okay. Look at the beautiful sparkle. Again, off the camera, the sparkle is way more intense. And just for you to see that a glass does not take away the sparkle. It does not. Regular glass, I mean. So that's how I framed them, and I'm going to give them away as a gift for Christmas. And this is Catherine's diamond painting. This one is diamonds on canvas, but I mean, you know, I showed it a few times. So these are my diamond paintings. Sorry, I showed it on the floor. So in the end, I want to do something similar with this diamond painting to customize it the same way, add a few crystal accents, and I think it will look beautiful. And once I'm done, I will frame it. So at this moment, I am working on this Diamond Dots Christmas tree. Not even a half. Look at this beauty. Oh my god, it's pretty. You know what? I think I should bring that pets by the fireplace in here for you to look at the beautiful sparkle of the drills. I'm almost done. As soon as I am, I will make a video review about this kit and I will start working on this one. This is it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.